Hi pretty people of the internet, long time no see. School has really gotten to me. Let's just say my classes are really kicking my ass right now. I've been trying to relax a little bit more recently, play more Animal Crossing. The new update is everything. I love sitting, it's so fun. I redecorated my room a little. I kind of switched up the posters so now it's a little bit more colorful. Oh my gosh, I also made, okay, well, I am wearing PJ pants right now, but I made best friend bracelets with my best friend. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? This bear is holding me, Jazzy, and Rachel together, best friends forever. It's so cute. I had so much fun making them. And you know what I like to do when I'm super stressed out? Shop, hence this video. I got lots of stuff around me right here, which is so exciting. If you saw my last thrift haul video, then you know I'm trying to solidify a new style. I'm trying to branch out, experiment. So my boyfriend and I have been going to a ton of thrift stores, flea markets. I've been really obsessed with those lately, and I've been picking up some things from the sponsor of this video. Wow, what an organic slide in. The sponsor of this video is ThredUp. Ding. ThredUp is basically a thrift store, but online. Ooh, cool. The internet is awesome. If you're not comfortable thrifting in real life for obvious reasons, then ThredUp is such a great option because you can still have the fun times of thrifting, but in the comfort of your own bed. If you have really shitty thrift stores around you, because trust me, I've had my fair share, this is a way for you to be sustainable at a really reasonable price as well, because a lot of sustainable brands are just extremely expensive, and there's like a really big sense of privilege that you need to have to be able to afford that. Something that's really cool is that you can filter your search thing by brand, which is something I wish you can do in real thrift stores. So you can search through brands like Urban Outfitters or Nike. There was one point where I was like literally searching Hello Kitty and Sanrio, because we all know I have a slight obsession with Hello Kitty, and ThredUp has up to 90% off your favorite brands, which is so awesome sauce. I need to stop saying awesome sauce unironically. I just think it's so funny. I also, if you've seen that TikTok where that guy's like epic bra moment, I say that a lot too. It's funny to me. There are over 40,000 brands with literally new arrivals every single day. So if you're trying to be a little bit more eco-conscious and also save money, ThredUp is such a good option for you because you can save money and help the environment. Could you think of something better? And you get really cute clothes out of it. So you can use my code Jazzy for an extra 30% off your first order. And this magical polka dotted bag houses my first outfit that I'm going to show you. I personally love thrifting in the kids section because I really like their graphic tees, and I have no boobs and I'm like a petite person, so it fits me well. So I have this one from the children's place, and I just think it's so fun. I saw it and I was like, I need it now. The estimated retail price for this baby is $11, and I got it for $7.99. I really like the detailing up right here. Very interesting, and this heart, adorable. The color, adorable. Yes. This jamboree skirt retails for $30, and I got this one for $10.99. These buttons are absolutely adorable, and it kind of reminds me of something like Unif would sell, except Unif would sell it for $90 and it would still be like really bad quality. So I've just been really trying to find a really nice like flare out black skirt, and I got it. And last is this zip up hoodie. It's from Gap, and the estimated retail price is $55, and I got it for $17.99. The inside is so soft. The second outfit is inspired by Emma Chamberlain. She wore this on her Instagram story once, and it literally blew up. First, she layered a kind of large sweatshirt, so I got this hot pink one. It's like a grandma one. It says grandma is another word for love, and I love it. I'm absolutely obsessed with like vintage looking like grandma, literally grandma sweaters. I don't have any hot pink sweatshirts, and I thought this would just be a fun little silly one to have. I just really like this embroidery and this double layer right here. Yes. The brand is M&C Sportswear. The estimated retail price is $55 and I got it for $17.99. To layer under, I got this fancy smancy J. Crew turtleneck, and I just feel like I really needed a basic turtleneck as a layering piece because I just really like the way that it looks. I definitely wanted it to be fitted and not too like warm. The estimated retail price for this literal turtleneck is $98. But don't worry, I got it for $26.99. And to finish it all off, I have Gap Fit yoga pants. I cannot believe that these are coming back. They're extremely comfortable, obviously. They make my butt look great. So what more can you ask for? Literally nothing. The estimated retail price for this one is $55 and I got it for $15.99. Okay, last outfit is this kind of more funky, you know, top. I'm excited to try to learn to style this because it seems kind of tricky. This was actually unbranded, but the estimated retail price is $20 and I got it for $10.99. I've been absolutely obsessed with rhinestones on anything. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, she's coming home with me. And this last piece is from Fancy Schmancy again, Polo by Ralph Lauren. It's another black tennis skirt, but this one is a little bit more high-waisted and it doesn't have the buttons like the other one. The estimated retail price for this one is $55 and I got it for $13.99. In total, I saved $267.08. Period! Yes, we love to hear it. Again, you can use my code Jazzy for 30% off your first order. Coupon codes are so fun. Moving on to other things I thrifted is actually a top that I'm wearing right now. Gives me very like hippie vibes, like peace and love, peace and love. These sleeves are absolutely to die for. I love that even though it's like a bell sleeve, like I love bell sleeves, but when they're full length, when it gets in my food or if it's just like in my way, it kind of irks me. But now I get the best of both worlds. I can grab a pizza slice and not be disturbed. I was actually a little bit iffy about this. I got it at a flea market. I was staring at it for like probably 20 minutes being like, will I actually wear it? Will I like it? Because it's really pretty out of my comfort zone. Like I really like the way that it looks, but I couldn't really picture myself wearing it. But I was like, Jazzy, you need to suck it up. You're trying to develop a new style. And now it's one of my favorite shirts. I think it's so flattering, especially right here because again, I don't have boobs, so it kind of has an illusion there. Maybe more into the fitted tops I got, there is this one which I thought was so funny. When I saw, I was like, I need it. It says Anthony's Bakeries, the best buns in New York, which I'll be like, it's my butt, even though it's not big, but my boyfriend lies to me and says that I have a big butt, so I'm just gonna take his word for it. Probably this is a real bakery, but I just think it's funny about like that slogan, and it's glittery. I love this one too. Okay, I love every single thing I got, so I'm really sorry if that gets repetitive. I'm not trying to be one of those people with a very limited vocabulary, even though that's kind of true, but I just can't describe things with other words, even though I'm a college student and I should probably know more than 5 words. But I don't. So I'm really sorry if that annoys you. But come on! What? Lizzie McGuire said it best. Seriously cool. Lizzie McGuire was my absolute favorite thing. The Lizzie McGuire movie actually changed my life. An Instagrammer at Nostalgic Threads actually thrifted this Harley Davidson shirt for me, and it's so funky and cool. Yes. Now onto oversized t-shirts. I'm starting off with this one. It's Tweety Bird and it says, save the drama for your mama. And that's like my life motto, I think. Don't fuck with Tweety Bird. This one is a Harley Davidson one. On the back it says Lake Tahoe. It's actually a lie. I've never been to Lake Tahoe before, but I don't know why I outed myself like that, because I could have just been like, yeah, I have so many memories from Lake Tahoe. But I just got it because I thought it was cool looking. I'm like, Harley Davidson, people will think I'm a badass, even though we all know I'm not. Nostalgic Threads also thrifted me this one. I wore it in my last video, and it's of the Rainforest Cafe frog. It's a mountain tee. It's kind of funky looking. It's just like a big frog with the moon in the back. I couldn't explain it, but I love it. I got a sweater vest and it's extremely oversized. I just really like the way that it like slouches. It's yellow with white polka dots on it, so it's giving me slight egg vibes. The sweater vest that I have right now is slightly more fitted than this one, and I've just really been seeing like all over my Pinterest girls wearing sweater vests that are really large and then have like a sweater under, and it just looks so cool. Hopefully I can pull it off, but I just thought I'd experiment with this one. In my last one, I was talking about how I wanted to get more into button-ups, so I also got this baby. The pattern is absolutely magnificent, and it's kind of like a pleated fabric material right here. I just think it would look really dope if I tied it like cropped and put like a black midi skirt under. I look like a sexy girl from the 90s. All right, now on to sweatshirts. I'm a hoe for Betty Boop, so when I saw this, yes, it was automatically, yep, I just knew. It says, "Be naughty, save Santa the trip." Ooh, how scandalous. It's also the perfect size for me to have that like cute oversized look. I usually only get really oversized sweatshirts. Okay, for me, it's either clothes have to be extremely large or extremely tiny, like children's size. Like there's just no in between. I say that as I'm like wearing a fitted shirt, but this is rare. I usually never wear fitted shirts. Can we just take a moment to admire, this? The detail is exquisite. The stars are a little 3D, so you can feel it on the fabric. It's wow. I really like when sweatshirts have like the design that go down the sleeve as well. And it also has like a double layer thing, like the pink sweater from ThredUp. I'm just so excited to wear this. I'm gonna be like stunting, like looking all cute and festive. The last of my winter holiday themed sweatshirts I have is this Mickey one, and it's fleece material. I don't have any that's fleece material, so I thought I would branch out a little with the textures. I really like blue sweatshirts, which is surprising because I don't really like the color blue, but I guess when it comes to sweatshirts, I do like the color blue. It has a funny Mickey. I feel like he looks a little wonky, but that's part of the reason why I wanted to get it, because wonky, like, I don't know, I just thought it was endearing. Look at his little ice skates. He's just like ready to skate. I'm actually horrific at ice skating. I do really like roller skating, even though I'm not great at it, but ice skating is a different thing because I am really sensitive to the cold. Like, I'm a little bitch. If it hits like 70 degrees, I'm like, oh, it's so cold, even though I know it's completely irrational, like not cold at all. So when I'm ice skating, I'm like freezing, and I'm trying to balance. My biggest dream as a child was to be a great figure skater, because I think they just look so beautiful and graceful, and like you have to be so strong and in tune with your body to be able to do everything and look like pretty and gorgeous, because they all do. That's just not me though. I just gotta accept that. I'll be living vicariously through this Mickey. Another blue sweatshirt is this one, and it has like vintage Fila. I don't know if Fila is like grungy anymore. I'll make an exception for this. I love embroidered sweatshirts like this. It just looks so much more like well put together and like expensive, I don't know, for lack of a better word. I have been living in this Winnie the Pooh and Piglet sweatshirt. I love Disney so much. Disneyland is my happy place. I am a Disney adult, and please don't hate me for it. Disney just makes me so happy, okay? I used to go like 1 or 2 times a week for probably like a year. Best year of my life. No doubt. Yep, best year. On the bottom, it says friends forever. I just think it's a very pure and endearing sweatshirt. This last one, I don't love, and I don't really know exactly why I got it. This design is really like not doing it for me, but I was looking for a white sweatshirt to layer under the sweater vest right here. So I thought it would look kind of cool like this. Yeah, you know, with like it peeking out. So I have this. Sometimes we make mistakes, sometimes we do. I got one cardigan. It's a little heavy, but it doesn't feel that heavy on, so it's okay. But it's just like of a beach. It's like a beach landscape thing, and it has like a house, like a restaurant and a lighthouse. I'm gonna do a better job showing you in the try on clip. It's very grandpa and just an interesting piece. The last two things of this haul, wow, I'm like getting exhausted. I need to stop. I got another black skirt, but this time it's fitted. I saw a similar one like this at Brandy and it was literally like $30. For some reason, I got this for $2, so who's winning? I've been loving midi and maxi skirts lately and earth tones, so when I saw this, I knew it was the right one for me. Very grandma, very, I feel like Phoebe Buffet would wear this, very librarian. It's just great, just look at it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming. Actually, I haven't tried everything on yet. Trying on clothes, all these clothes is extremely draining, but it's still fun because it's for you and I love you. And I'm really sorry that I've been kind of a very inconsistent and bad YouTuber lately. I really want to grow my channel, you know, and like make a career out of this. And I know I just need to put 110% into making more videos and content. I'm just not an extremely creative person. Whenever I get really stressed, I will like dwell on an issue for way longer than I need to and not be like proactively like trying to fix it. Like I think I deserve to feel bad. Like I'm like I deserve to be stressed because I'm being a bad YouTuber. And it's like this big cycle and it's extremely unproductive. But I'm really trying. We're really close to 500,000 subscribers, which is, I don't really know how that happened, but thank you so much for subscribing if you are subscribed. Thank you again, ThredUp, for sponsoring this video. So cool. I've always wanted to be sponsored by them. You can use my code Jazzy for an extra 30% off your first order. I love you all. I'll see you next time. Bye.